maybe oh, they said to shake it. Guys, it's Rissa, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a review on the Rare Beauty, and this is by Selena Gomez. I don't have any makeup on right now, obviously, because I'm going to be trying out her foundation and all that other stuff. So I will have timestamps in the description box so you guys can kind of jump around the video to see what fits you. I wanted to talk to you guys about the brand first before I get into it, because I know a lot of people are wondering some questions about it. So I did find some things about the brand. The packaging of the foundation and concealer, it has a ball on the top, so it helps people with arthritis, because she does have arthritis, and it makes it easier. The packaging is eco-friendly. The brand is vegan and cruelty-free. The brand goal is to donate $100 million to mental illness foundations in the next 10 years, which I find amazing. That's a beautiful thing. I love Selena Gomez. I always have. Without further ado, we're just gonna dive right into these products, and I'm gonna show you guys the packaging and everything like that. My mom has some stuff in this box as well, but I'm gonna show you guys and swatch them on my hand. This one is a foundation, my shade 350C. So this is my shade, and like I told you guys in the beginning, it has a ball at the top, so it helps, you know, grab it and make it easier for you. I don't know if this is gonna match me, you guys, because I did it online. I found a foundation that I already owned, and I just matched it to my foundation. And this one is in my mom's shade. This one is in 270N, and this is her shade. I'm gonna swatch everything, so you're gonna be in for a detailed review. And then I have the Soft Pinch Blush in Love, and this is what Love looks like. This one is different than the other one. It's gold top, it has a gold top, and I think this one's super pretty. It's in the color Bliss. So it looks like this, and I think it's very, very pretty. I will be swatching all of them, so don't worry about that. And then the last thing that I have is the Brow Harmony Pencil and Gel, and it looks like this. So I guess there's a gel part. So there's this, and then there's an actual pencil. This is my shade 350C. So it is very, very liquidy, so you're gonna have to be careful with that. So this is 350C. As you can see, it looks like that. I think this might be actually a pretty good match for my skin. And this one is in 270N, which is a neutral color, and the one I have is a cool tone. And this one is in my mom's shade. So this is my mom's 270N, and this is me, 350C. This is the swatch for the blush. So this is Love. This is a very, very deep red, burgundy kind of color. And this is Bliss right here. It's a very, very light pink color. And I will put that right under her swatch. So this is Bliss. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna try out my foundation. So I'm gonna use my shade 350C. And I need to get my mirror. Okay, so I have my mirror, right? It has a doe foot applicator. Very, very thick, and a lot of people said that they wish it wasn't like this because, you know, you're putting it all over your face, but honestly I don't really care. But I did moisturize and I did prime my skin. I'm going to put half of my face with a brush and then half of my face with a beauty blender, so you can kind of see what works, what looks better. So I'm just gonna kind of lightly put it where I need coverage most, because I don't know if this matches my skin yet. So I didn't put a lot of product, I just want a little bit here and there. I know a lot of people think that this is like a full coverage. Like on the website it is a I think it's like a medium to full coverage, and it's like a very, very skin-like foundation. I heard that it's very, very weightless. It's supposed to be very lightweight, natural beauty, you know what I'm saying? So this is with the beauty blender. We're gonna try it out. Okay, so as you can see on camera, it actually doesn't look that bad, and in person. But we're gonna try it again. I think I didn't put that much foundation, because I didn't put that much foundation. Okay, I'm gonna go to my ears, because I hate when my ears are so white. And then just kind of bring it down my neck. But so far, I love the consistency of it. It's super nice. It's so weightless. Like, and my honest opinion is this looks like skin. it looks like skin. In person, I have very textured skin. Like especially around my mouth is where my most texture is. But when I'm looking in the mirror, it does look very light and very flawless. It kind of settles in kind of like skin. Like not a lot of transfer coming off, but I'm definitely gonna powder my face because I don't trust my skin. I don't trust my skin to go without powder, but we're gonna just leave it like that for now. Now we're gonna go on to the other side. Now I know I should apply a generous amount. So I'm just gonna maybe put like a couple dots like that, and then a couple of my forehead. It's very liquidy, but not liquidy how I've seen people on YouTube have theirs. It's like pouring out of the bottle. Mine doesn't look like that, but maybe oh, they said to shake it. That's why it's not liquidy, you guys. I literally forgot, and then I remembered you're supposed to shake the bottle. All right, now let's see if it's liquidy. It's very liquidy now. Okay, I apologize. Yeah, it's very liquidy. That's why it was so dry when I was putting it on my face, because I was like, everybody had running foundation, and I'm like, mine is not running. Okay, so now we put the foundation. We're gonna try it with a brush. And I don't want to say what brush this is because this is a purely Selena Gomez video. I don't want to like do that to her, even though she's not going to see this video. Okay. Okay, so it does blend very easy with the brush. It's very fast, I can say. I think they both look the same, but I did have a little more texture on this side with the brush, so I'm just gonna pat that in. If I used a brush, I would probably just, you know, pat around my mouth because that's where my texture is mostly at, and my nose. This is in the color Love, so I'm just gonna apply it. I think that was a little too much, but we're gonna just pat it in. And I got the matte finish because a lot of people were saying that the dewy was kind of hard to blend. Okay, so it looks like this, and I totally forgot to put concealer on. We love that. Okay, so I'm gonna apply concealer real quick because I most definitely forgot to put concealer. We're just gonna blend this in and then we'll be right back to the blush. I'm gonna put a little bit more of my Love. Just one dot. I think that was way too much. I'm just gonna see how it works with a brush instead of my fingers. Just to test out everything, because you know what, this is a review. I just want to see everything and see. That is definitely not it. All right, so we know not to use a brush. It looks like I got punched in the face. Less product, the better. It's not the worst, but I definitely look like I got punched in the face and I have a bruised cheek. So I'm literally just gonna dab one dot. Like that, that's it. Yeah, see, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. I definitely recommend going lighter. I'm gonna wipe this off really fast, and then I'm gonna use this for the other blush so you guys can kind of see the difference. Right here, this is Love. I'm probably gonna add more to make it pop, but I just wanna start off light because that side looks like a hot mess. So this is in Bliss. Okay, nothing's wrong with Bliss. It's just a very light pink. So if you're into light pink blushes, and this is a great shade for you. So it looks like that. I think this is a very pretty pink. I'm gonna put maybe right there, and we'll see how Love starts coming together. All right, so this is the blush. We're gonna do our eyebrows. So this does not come with a spoolie, so you're just gonna have to like have a spoolie with you. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I don't do much with my eyebrows in general, so I'm just gonna do the best that I can. And let me say, this is very pigmented. I already can tell. So I just kind of brush it out this way. My eyebrows are very thick. They've always been thick. I can never get them thinner. And it's a kind of a curse and a blessing at the same time. I do recommend that you guys don't go overboard. Don't use a heavy hand because this product is very, very pigmented. And now we're going to use the gel side of it and just brush everything together and make them stay. So let's do that. I think it's very, very cool. See, I told you, like, eyebrows are super thick. And I kind of am digging it with this look. It's like a very, very natural look. So my eyebrows just, look, it pops. So I'm actually kind of digging it. I'm going to take a little bit of powder, just a tiny bit. Lightly go over. Not too much. I'm going to take my bronzer and I'm going to lightly bronze my face. Like I said, I don't want to do too much because this is a very, very natural look that I'm trying to go for. So I just want to just, you know, bring some color back into my face. Bronze that. So I'm going to use my dewy setting spray and I'm going to spray this all over my face and we're going to see how this looks like. Okay, it actually looks really, really dewy. I don't look cakey because I'm going to take my highlight and we're going to just highlight the heck out of our face. I have very, very dry skin, so any shine on my face is the best shine. Okay, I think that's enough. So, you see that? Now I look very, very glowy, very hydrated. I didn't want to put lashes on for this video because I wanted it to like look natural. I just wanted to see what it would look like. Most likely, I'm gonna put on lashes when I go out because I just love falsies. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips and then I will be right back. This is the finished look. As you can see, I did my lipstick and I think it looks very, very pretty. It's very, very natural. For me, with this look, I definitely would apply some lashes for me because I'm not a very natural person. I do love a little glam. So this is me in my natural room lighting. This is what I look like. So this is my natural lighting. No filters added to this video whatsoever. But yeah, this is me, natural lighting. I hope this helped you guys out a little bit. Would I recommend this foundation? Most definitely, especially for $26, I think it was for. Some foundations are literally like $40 and it gives you this amount of coverage. So I definitely would recommend this, especially for those natural girls out there. I see no texture issue with my skin. And if you have dry skin, this is perfect for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this video was a little bit all over the place, but I hope you guys followed me through it. And I hope the timestamps helped you out a little bit with this process. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just comment down below. I'll definitely try to post that. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.